Hello guys, this is Tariq and today I'm going to teach you basic Urdu sentences. So in this lesson you will learn basic Urdu sentences and also I will tell you, is it possible to learn Urdu in 3 months or 4 months? Is it possible to learn Urdu in just 3 months or 4 months? So please stay with me if you want to learn Urdu. Let's start. First sentence, I have a cough. मुझे खांसी है. How can we say I have a cough in Urdu? मुझे खांसी है. मुझे खांसी है. मुझे खांसी है. Okay, if you want to know how to make these sentences, so you just need to add the word like khasi, replace this word with another word like this. मुझे नज़ला है, मुझे बुखार है. But you have to know the Urdu vocabulary. So in this lesson you will also learn Urdu vocabulary. Okay, so cough, khasi. I have a cough. मुझे खांसी है. Next, I have a headache. I have a headache. मेरे सर में दर्द है. मेरे सर में दर्द है. I have a flu. मुझे नज़ला है. I have a flu. मुझे नज़ला है. फर्स्ट वन, मुझे खांसी है. सेकंड वन, मुझे मेरे सर में दर्द है. एंड थर्ड वन, मुझे नज़ला है. सो रिपीट आफ्टर मी. मुझे खांसी है. आई हैव अ कफ. मेरे सर में दर्द है. आई हैव अ हेडेक. मुझे नज़ला है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, आई हैव अ जॉइंटिस. मुझे पीलिया है. पीलिया मीन जॉइंटिस. ओके, now one more time I'm gonna repeat all four vocabulary. You have to know cough, khasi, headache, sar mein dard, flu, nazla, jaundice, पीलिया. So next, basically बुनियादी तौर पर. बुनियादी तौर पर. बुनियादी तौर पर. नेक्स्ट, वेयर डू यू लिव. वेयर डू यू लिव. तुम कहाँ रहते हो. तुम कहाँ रहते हो. तुम कहाँ रहते हो. वेयर डू यू लिव. तुम कहाँ रहते हो. नेक्स्ट, I live in Karachi. I live in Karachi. Karachi is the city of Pakistan. So please, you have to replace Karachi with your own city. You can say I live in Islamabad. Islamabad is also capital of Pakistan. It is also, you can say, city of Pakistan. So I live in Karachi. मैं कराची में रहता हूँ. 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 Next, what does your father do? What does your father do? आपके अब्बू क्या करते हैं. आपके अब्बू क्या करते हैं. What does your father do? आपके अब्बू क्या करते हैं. Environment Mahal, environment, mahal, environment, mahal, mahal. Next, may I come in, sir? This is the most common English basic sentence we usually we sometimes use when we enter in the classroom. So we take permission from our teacher. May I come in, sir? क्या मैं अंदर आ जाऊं? क्या मैं अंदर आ जाऊं? क्या मुझे इजाज़त है आने की? क्या मैं अंदर आ जाऊं? क्या मैं अंदर आ जाऊं? Yes, come in. Yes, come in. हाँ आ जाओ. हाँ आ जाओ. हाँ आ जाओ. One by one, I will repeat 2 times and you have to listen carefully, okay? मुझे खांसी है. मुझे खांसी है. मेरे सर में दर्द है. मेरे सर में दर्द है. मुझे नज़ला है. मुझे नज़ला है. मुझे पीलिया है. मुझे पीलिया है. बुनियादी तौर पर. बुनियादी तौर पर. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? आपके अब्बू क्या करते हैं? आपके अब्बू क्या करते हैं? आपके अब्बू क्या करते हैं? माहौल, माहौल. क्या मैं अंदर आ जाऊं? क्या मैं अंदर आ जाऊं? क्या मैं अंदर आ जाऊं? हाँ आ जाओ. हाँ आ जाओ. Now it's time for golden words. But before golden words, I'm going to tell you, is it possible to learn Urdu in just 3 or 4 months? So no, it is not possible. So is it possible to learn Urdu in just 3 months or 4 months? So my answer is no. Because it is not possible to learn Urdu in just 3 or 4 months, because it is a language and language takes time. It is a slow process to learn. If you have any techniques to learn Urdu, so maybe you can learn Urdu, but you cannot learn English properly. You cannot learn Urdu properly because it takes time. So if somebody says to you, I will teach you in just 3 or 4 months and you will be able to speak Urdu, so he's telling a lie. He is telling a lie, and you are wasting your time. Seriously, I'm not telling you. I'm telling you truth. I'm telling by my experience, because it is really hard to learn any language in just 3 or 4 months. If you really want to learn Urdu in just 3 or 4 months, so I think you can learn Urdu in just 3 or 4 months, but there are some conditions. What conditions are? First, you should be in Pakistan or India. If you are in Pakistan or India, so maybe you can learn Urdu in just 3 or 4 months, because all the time you hear Urdu, all the time you hear Urdu, and everyone is speaking Urdu. Everyone will be speaking Urdu. So it is a 99% chance you will able to speak Urdu in just 3 or 4 months. But if you are not in Pakistan and if you are not in India, so I don't think so you can able to speak Urdu in just 3 or 4 months by taking 1 hour or 2 hour class. So it is not possible, seriously, because it takes too much time to learn any language. So please do not waste your time. Please do not waste your money if you are wasting your money, so please stop doing this, because I'm sincere with you. That is the reason I'm telling you, please do not spend your money in these type of on these type of people and on these type of advertising. Don't spend your money on these types of advertisement, okay? So please remember one thing: if you want to learn Urdu in just 3 or 4 months, so there are many ways to learn. You have to spend more than 6 hours to learn Urdu. You have to spend 6 or 7 hours daily to learn Urdu. First, you have to listen a lot. Listen and listen and listen. Because I'm speaking English to try to understand this concept. I'm telling you because I'm sincere with you, and I want you to understand this point of view. Because if you are foreigner, so you will waste your money if you think you can learn English in just 3 or 4 months. So, in my point of view, maybe I'm wrong in some points, but I'm sure you can learn Urdu more than 6 months, but you cannot learn Urdu in 3 or 4 months and in 60 days and 40 days. So these are only books, and you cannot learn any language from books. So you need to listen a lot all the day. Minimum 6 hours you have to listen Urdu without translating. You have to watch TV shows, Urdu TV shows, not English, okay? And most important thing, you can watch Bollywood movies to improve your Urdu. But please do not waste your money on these type of advertisement. I will teach you Urdu in 3 months or 4 months. Please come and buy our course. We will teach you Urdu in 3 or 4 months. So please don't do this, okay? So I hope you get you get your answer. So I'm here with you, and please tell me how is my video, and are you learning Urdu? So please let me know what is your name and where are you from and what is your native language. मुझे ये बताना मत भूलें कि आपका नाम क्या, आपकी ज़बान कौन सी बोलते हैं और आप कहाँ से हैं. What is your name? First question, question of the day. What is your name? Second, where are you from? Third, what is your native language? So I want to know these questions. So please let me know, because I want you to be regular. So now it's time for golden words. You are my life, my everything, and I always want to spend my all time with you to make my every moment happy and gold. Thank you for watching.